Hi, my name is Brian Zovic. I am the General Sales Manager of Waconia Ford. We have the money. We are buying pre-owned vehicles every week and taking trades in daily. We are getting truckloads of new inventory weekly. If what we have is missing an option important to you, we have the ability and technology to get what you want. We will go out of state to get you the vehicle you need. We have drivers on our payroll and on call, ready to get the vehicle of your dreams. When the vehicle is secured, I guarantee you we will have it within 72 hours. If not, you get a $250 check. If you have any questions, I invite you to reach out to me via phone at 612-814-0208 or by email at bzovic@waconiaford.com. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in our showroom.